Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expedition. In this video, we'll be talking about Miden. How do you approach Miden, assuming you want to qualify for its airdrop? That's what we'll be talking about in the course of this video. I've not started very actively with Miden, but I will going forward. I like the chain. It's basically building a hybrid chain that will feature both public and privacy applications. It has raised 25 million in seed funding and it's backed by Polygon. I believe it also makes use of Polygon's Polygon's stack can easily be added to GitHub repository to illustrate that the project uses. Okay, so anyway, this is a chain. So at the moment, it's currently in test net phase. So the most basic way of having exposure to Miden is interacting with the applications in its ecosystem. So you go to Miden and click on ecosystem. Not to worry, in subsequent videos, we'll go more technical, talk about the technicalities of Miden. But for now, these are the applications featured, and a good start will be Miden name, because you can basically establish your identity within the Miden ecosystem by getting your own Miden domain name, something I've not done. So connecting wallet, wow, so Miden has a native wallet, meaning that I would leave this for my next tutorial video where I would have installed the wallet. If you click here, it will likely take you to where you will be able to download the wallet. The wallet comes in the form of extensions. So this is leading you to Google Chrome. So I'll be doing this next video. So your entry point into the Miden ecosystem is here, miden.fi, where you will download the wallet. This will enable you to interact with the apps built on Miden, starting with Miden name. So I'll definitely be interacting here, getting myself a domain name. Now faucets, I would assume that the Miden wallet will feature somewhere for faucets. Let's see here, playground. Okay, so the faucet is on the playground here. So when you have a wallet, you would have an address and Miden faucet, fungible faucet. Okay, so I would likely reveal how to get faucet funds in the next video, likely from the wallet. Okay, so then after you have a wallet, of course, start interacting with the ecosystem. ZoroSwap will be a good one as well, public and private Oracle informed AMM. So this will enable you to swap while on Miden, and that's a good start. Another way to guarantee your airdrop is staking some POL. Recently, POL has been increasing in value. I don't know if people are realizing that you can earn multiple airdrops by staking POL, but if you go to Polygon, staking.polygon.technology, that's where you stake. Staking happens on the Ethereum chain. Okay, then on the basis of your stake proportional to the overall TVL, you would be earning community airdrops, and one of them is Miden, another one is Katana, billions as well. So this is guaranteed to give you an airdrop. Staking some Polygon, that's another approach to the airdrop. Then they have a Kaito leaderboard, but they don't have declared rewards yet. So you can start talking about Miden if you want by onboarding on Kaito first and InfoFi platform, then start talking about Miden on X. So basically this will give you all the information you need as you interact with. So you can even see Miden shown here. So as you interact with the ecosystem, you can document that expedition on X in your posts, and that's all that there is to it. Now I'm doing this video because I'm working on an app, and this app will be the most powerful app when it comes to airdrops. It's the app for airdropc.com. So I'm building this for my productivity because I struggle with my airdrop tasks. So considering we're talking of Miden and it having a leaderboard on Kaito, what if I can remind myself actively to talk about Miden? I've not yet added Miden to the Quest Packs portal here, but typically you would look for Miden here. Then you can add it to the dashboard. So for example, I've added that to the dashboard in simulation. Click on start. Then within this period try to post or schedule my posts on the subject of Miden on X. If I want post ideas, I click on AI to get post ideas. Then if I don't complete this, I can, if I complete it, I click on complete. If I don't, I can pause. I can also skip. If I don't end up completing it within the time allotted, it will go into the unfinished tasks, and this will trigger reminders, continuous reminders, so that I'm reminded to complete my airdrop activities daily for different projects. I'll also be serving all the airdrops via this medium. I think I would have added Miden here already. When you click here, it will take you to an entire publication tutorial about Miden that I'll be iterating over time to prepare you for the airdrop. Now, while you're on airdropc.com, don't forget to subscribe to airdrop reminders. So click here and submit your email here to subscribe. Soonest the app will be ready. I'll be serving all the airdrops via the app. Contact me using this contact form, this Telegram, and this Twitter. And check the description area. There will be a bunch of airdrop opportunities there. Stay awesome, take action, subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials.